sing a song with your piano. Before that, why don't we listen the music? With the lyrics, I am great playing music with 10 great fingers. You have a sheet music of this. This is the sheet music. How to play? You put both hands on C and G. Start from right hand. You start from E. E, C, G, G, E, C. After this you have D, E, D, C. Let's go. E, C, G, G, E, C, D, E, D, C. Let's try again. E, C, G, G, E, C, D, E, D, C. And the left hand. You start from C and G, F, G, F, E. Try again. C, G, F, G, F, E. Why don't we put both together? Right hand E, left hand C. Both are G.